Well, good afternoon. It is the 7th of September, an active day today, a weekday for the grain markets. The soybean market was up throughout the day, but right at the end lost ground. Wheat got hit hard and sold off today, so did corn. The recent rally of the last week and a half or so seems to be losing ground, and we could possibly have a pretty good sell-off as we move into that time of the year as harvest approaches, when we usually make the low of the year. So this market certainly could lose ground. Cotton market, well, we have been definitely trading off of the projected path of Hurricane Irma. The path has been shifted slightly to the east along the Atlantic coast of Florida, and perhaps moving a little away from the southwestern part of Georgia, where there's quite a bit of cotton grown. And the market took that throughout the day as a sign that perhaps we're not going to be seeing this market continue to move up. It was down. At one point it was down 110, but late in the day, or throughout the day, it firmed up, closed, still down, but not down as much as we had seen. Dollar down, crude oil down, precious metals are up, and stocks are down, starting with cotton in December down 24 at 74.26. At one point it got as low as 73.37. The high made early this morning was 74.48. November soybeans down 2.5 at 968.5. I don't think I saw that market ever down, with the exception of the last 2 minutes of the day. A high of 977.5, low of 956.75. December corn down 6.25 at 354.75. The low of the day is 354.75. Made that right on the close. And the high of the day for December corn, 360.25. December wheat down 8.5 at 437.25. High of 446.25, and low of 435.75. I have to look at the board because I made notes about 3 or 4 minutes before the close as to what the low was. Well, they made new lows, so we had to kind of redo those. The dollar, let's look at these outside markets. The dollar is right now down 65 points. Crude oil is down 18 cents a barrel. Gold and silver are rallying. Gold up $12 an ounce, silver up 21 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones is last trading down 38 on the day. Sort of a mixed bag, but the market still seems to look at the main focus, the hurricane path, and that's supposed to hit land probably on Sunday. We should, I would think, within the next 24 hours have a pretty clear feel for where this thing's going to hit and what effect it might have on various commodity markets. So stay tuned. Join us tomorrow morning for our early broadcast. Also, we'll have at 7:30 our E3 weekly market report, when we will go over exports. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.